Khan, star of the upcoming film My Name is Khan, arrived in Atlantic City Friday night to attend a special meet and greet dinner at the Trump Taj Mahal. Organizers Raj Uppal, Rajiv Sharma and Mir Sajid got the event together in record time.
A lot of people actually told me, oh man, don't do that, you're a short time. I said, no. Shah Rukh, I got a chance for Shah Rukh. I feel proud that I'm doing a Shah Rukh show. And I will make this happen success. That's what I decided to go at.
I'm still waiting for my bags to come back from the airport. And you know, Raj came to my room and he said, you know, I can give you my underwear. As kind as his offer was, I didn't take it.
He's one of the great entertainers we have ever seen in Bollywood industry. Especially on the stage, he's unbelievable.
Very short time, we try to do best for this show, and we're looking forward to have fun with every single audience.
हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो.
This year's Nayandaz winners, Satrangi School of Fusion, regaled Khan with song and dance. In fact, it was a medley of Shah Rukh's songs.
And when people view it, it should look like a flawless piece. So I'm working with them to actually, with the team, to actually put together a decent piece. And definitely I'm nervous, and oh my God, like it's Shah Rukh Khan in the end. So yes, we are nervous. Yeah.
Comedian Shakil Ansari joined the king on stage. Ansari had just wrapped up his own comedy tour across America and was just tickled to share the limelight.
शाहरुख का शो है ये, और इसमें मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं, बस ये शो में जो हमारा काम है हम वो करेंगे. और अच्छा लग रहा है कि शाहरुख के साथ काम पहली दफ़ा शो कर रहे हैं, मज़ा आ रहा है.
Shah Rukh fans had traveled from all over the tri-state to catch a glimpse of their favorite star. The grand ballroom at the Trump Taj Mahal was packed to the gills.
So excited because I actually got a really nice seat. Well, this is a great venue, great place, and I think we're really going to get to see him up close and personal. So I'm really excited about tonight.
I can say I'm the biggest fan because I was born and I saw him. Until now, I'm watching him like 16 years. I'm watching him.
Huge. You see, I have the Shah Rukh Khan doll here.
I am the greatest fan. I love him. He's so cute looking, good looking, handsome.
I'm a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. I never miss a movie. I try to see first day first shows.
Practically died to be here.
We found out about this just like last week, so we're really excited. Been preparing for this day. Been waiting anxiously.
Very excited. I'm glad I'm seeing him tonight personally, of course, and after a long time, actually, I'm going to be seeing him on a stage.
Took about 2 hours of traffic to come see Shah Rukh Khan today, so it was worth every second.
I don't think I would make this trip to Atlantic City for anybody else.
Very, very excited.
Very excited. Even I have to go to work tomorrow, but I'm still here.
I love him. Shah Rukh Khan. Oh my God, I want to kiss him. Hello? We know he's married. Whatever. I was set them married. Right? We can take it.
तुम्हारे ये इशारे हम तो दीवाने हैं तुम्हारे.
All the airport controversy began when Shah Rukh made this statement on stage.
I was stalled at the airport and you know, I was questioned a lot for a couple of hours, which is, it's a big drag. If you must be looking like me, darling. So, it's a big drag because they kept on telling me my name is very common. And I kept telling them, no, you know, my name is Shah Rukh. I've never really met anyone who's got the name Shah Rukh. Later on, I realized that they were getting a little pissed off about the fact that I'm Khan, which is okay. And then my bags didn't arrive with British Airways.
Despite the delay, Shah Rukh totally surrendered to his fans and gave them exactly what they wanted.
I find it very interesting. I actually enjoy it even more than a big show because I find it very personal. If it can remain, sometimes it gets out of hand and then everybody's shouting and screaming.
My whole family is very proud of what I do, and I always tell them that it's only because of all of you. So thank you very much. Thank you so much. Really. I will try my best all my life to make sure that I work very hard and make you smile and sing and dance and bring some happiness in your lives. Oh, you want to be Karan Johar? This is the first time I've heard anyone tell me, a girl tell me that she wants to be Karan Johar. I'm going to tell him, I'm going to call him now and tell him I met a girl who wants to be Karan Johar. Yeah. And Karan Johar keeps telling me he wants to be a girl. When I'm 60 years old, I still stand on a mountain on Switzerland. I put my hands like this And you know, my children already tell me that I'm too old to be doing this.
How did you get so hot?
Under professional secrecy, I'll tell you how I got so hot.
हौले हौले हो जाएगा प्यार चलिया हौले हौले हो जाएगा प्यार
Are you Punjabi? When you say photos also sounds like a Gali. Oh, body the photos! कभी-कभी कुछ जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना पड़ता है और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं। डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया। डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया। बट डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है। And yeah, my favorite dialogue, I love it, though it was hardly a dialogue. I love you, Kiran.
Hey, pretty woman, देखो देखो ना pretty woman, pretty woman, देखते हो ना pretty woman.
It was so unreal when he first came out on the stage. I was like, is that him or is that somebody else? But he was so cool. Some other stars are like, get away from me. He's like, tries to get to know people.
It's really rare that you get to see a star up close and personal like that, and then on top of it, the fact that he's interacting with the audience so much.
What I like best is it gives you a glimpse into what he's about.
I think my favorite part was when he and I got into a little bit of a chat. So that was fantastic. And unfortunately, we weren't able to get close to him because there was too many spectators that were here, and they were all over Shah Rukh, and I can understand why, because I'm one of his fans too. And I love Shah Rukh, and definitely we had a good time tonight.
Darda disco,